Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I am going to talk about how to change banner, box, button color in Shopify. It would be an excellent video for you guys, and it is a beginner video. So watch the video till the end. You will find out this will be helpful for you. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So as you can see, we already set up our Shopify store, and this is our admin panel. If you visit the home panel, like the front end design, then you will find out this banner one, and it has a color. How could we change it? So here, let's click on customize theme. Some people think it was very simple. If you go to editor panel, then they will give you the option to edit it. Let's check this out for you. If you click over here, there is no option to change the color. So it's become so much difficult to change this color. If you click on outline style, then it does not work. Then there's no option to add custom CSS. Then how we could add or how we could change this color? It becomes so much headache for us. So there is some solution I found out, that is, when you will come over here, then you just need to go onto this theme, like which theme you are editing. Just click on theme, then you can see we are using DOM. So here we just need to work wisely, think wisely. First of all, when you will come to theme panel, here you will this three dot button. You just need to click it, and here you need to find out an option called edit code. So when you click over here, it will redirect you to that page, or sometimes it not. You need to find out the call base.css. You can note it or you can remember it. Whenever you will want to edit any CSS or any design, you necessarily needed this option called base.css. Just click over here and you will get the option to edit it here. So it's so much easy. Then once you're done, here you need to come back to this place, and once you come over here, you just want to work on this banner. So you need to click over here and click on inspect. Similarly, if you are working on Komi, you just need to click on inspect. Once you've done it, you need to find out where is the code. So here you can see this is the code here, and here you can see this is the background color. If you change it, the color will be changed over here. If you want to make the color, it totally up to you right now. So now you need to find out your desired color, which one you want in this page. So therefore I'm going to click on new tab and find out the color code template, and I will find out my desired one from that place. So color hunt, color platter for design and artist, and then I will go over here, I will click on this one, and then which one I think would be good. So I'm copied this one. Let's come back to that place and go where we are editing. So I need to find it. So I think this way. So I need to find one, this color, and here I'm going to paste it. Yeah, there's just some mistake with it. Always you need to use hashtag. This color is not enough cool, so I'm going to edit it and I will find out my desired color. So here I think this may be good. So here you can see the location of this base.css. So you just need to copy this code from that place, and then you need to come back on your code editing panel, and you just need to scroll down till the end of the box, and here you can see we already add some color. So here you can see we select banner.content colors. Here if you come here, and you can see we have some colors that call button, and this one the main colors here, banner hashtag button. So if you check this out, we have this content, banner content. Again come over here and find out where is the banner content. So you need to find out this one. Let's go over here and add it the color over that place. Let's paste it here and click on save. Once I click on this, code will be not have here. You just need to place it here. I did it behind the video, so always remember it. Click on save and come back to your page again, and refresh it. Once you refresh it, now you can see our color has been changed over that place. So this way you can change the color, but you had some other work to do. So before complete it, then you just need to be another code that will be this display none important. After, if I remove it, what will happen? Let's go and check this out. Save and then go and refresh it again. Now you can see we are getting a outline called white. So for that we are going to remove this. That's why I paste it here and click on save. And now let's refresh it. Now eventually you can see the result over that place, how you can change your color easily. So it's so much flexible and easy, so you need to be understand wisely. You can change your image or box color through these options. Let's go and click on customize theme and now see the result on this customize panel or the editor panel. Here you can see in here our button color is like this, and there if I click on button, here we don't have any editing panel yet. So this way you have the only one way to edit the button color. This is the simplest way. And now you have a question like, you work with the drawn theme, what about the other theme? Is it same process will be work on other platform? So this is the very good question. So if you want to theme this way, then I will give you the option. Let's go on some of them, find out a theme. I think I have a theme in the library that's called trade. Let's publish it and click on publish. As you can see, it already published. So now I am going to see the preview over that place, and this is it not changed yet. So let's go over here and refresh it and then click on customize, and in here you can see this is the result. And if I click on the button, similarly it does not work here. So I am going to do the similar thing with my design. So I already copied this one and then come back to this panel, and now you can see we have similar process, edit code, and here we need to find out the base.css. Here you can see it is under the asset panel. You need to be scroll down into the end of the panel and paste it here and save it. Once it saves successfully, we need to come over here and refresh it. So here I'm going to refresh it, and eventually you can see that result shuffle button color has been changed. So it works with all the way and it's so much easy. Let's go and see the result over that place. So here you can see our color has been changed. So eventually I can see you already understand how you can change your banner colors or box button color by CSS in Shopify. It's really easy. I hope you loved this video, and if you think this video was knowledgeable for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.